Gospel, Jesus proclaims the heart of the good news. For God so loved the world that whoever believes in Him might not perish but have life everlasting. The cross is the most wonderful and beautiful story of love ever told. But then, and yet, when we think of love, especially our love for God,